Most people think building a professional website takes weeks or months and costs thousands of dollars. So they end up spending money they don't have at the start of their business or spending ages trying to do it themselves and ending up with pretty rubbish website. I've been one of these people who has spent far too long, months of my life trying to figure out how to do WordPress. And the thing is, I could have been spending that money and time actually growing and pushing my business forward. And I'm making this video now because I was helping a client on a call last week. He'd literally been trying to make his website, but he didn't want to pay thousands for an agency to do it. And he felt like AI could do it better and faster than him trying to hack around in Wix or something. And so we spent an hour creating his professional website. And to be honest, it came out awesome. So I want to show you how to do exactly the same thing. So we're going to go through everything step by step for you. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to steal someone else's design to use as a template for your website, how to tailor it to your business, how to get AI to build everything in minutes, and literally how to launch it and put it live so you're ready to just go. So you'll have all the steps, and I'll even give you all the prompts you need to do this for yourself. So let's begin making your professional website. Now, I'm going to assume to start with, we're starting from zero. You don't have any information, you don't have a website already or anything like context, business information you can actually put into AI to build this for you. So we want to start off on an AI platform like Claude, like ChatGPT, like Gemini, any of these LLMs, rather than starting in our vibe coding tool, which we'll get to later, because we don't want to waste up our valuable credit elsewhere when we've got these platforms that can help us get all the information and shape our plan for our website more easily. So what I'm going to do here with you, I'm going to open up my AI recipe vault, and we're going to go down to build a professional website and open up this AI recipe that I've created, which has got steps of how we're going to do this. Now we'll scroll down to step one, business context questions. I've actually got some key questions we need to answer to give AI something to work with so we know what we're building our website about. Now, I've actually gone ahead and baked these into a prompt for you. And by the way, there's a link to this AI recipe database with this step-by-step instruction in there in the link in the description below. But basically, I've got prompt number one. I'm building a website and need help getting clear on what I need. Here's the business info. And this is the bit we need to fill in, all these questions we need to answer. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to literally copy that prompt and take it over to Claude. Again, you can use ChatGPT or something like that for this. And we need to fill in these inputs here. We need to answer these questions. So what I do actually, you could go ahead and just write out the answers. I like to use voice to type now because it's 3 times faster and it just gets more flow, more information out. So I actually use an app called Whisperflow, which allows me to literally just hit the function key on my laptop and start typing with my voice. So I'm going to dictate my answers to all these questions so that we can build from them live as we go. We're going to build everything live as we go here. So what we do, this is a website for my AI coaching business, and it helps people get started with AI. Those sort of people who feel overwhelmed, know that they should be using it in their business, but are not sure where to start. It's really targeted at business owners, professionals, solopreneurs, consultants, freelancers, and really anyone who wants to start doing work faster and more efficiently with AI. The main visitor action will be a call to action to book an initial coaching call for 90 minutes. What makes me different is the ability to take complex things and break them down into actionable ways of using them. No fluff, no frills, actually providing useful solutions for people that make a difference in their work. Their business exists because I spent a long time working in marketing and for agencies and for businesses. Then I actually went and became a self-employed freelancer consultant myself. Very quickly, I hit capacity and needed to find ways to get more work done each day. So I started using AI, slowly tuning it, improving it, getting it to the point where I realized that I was able to do, oh man, I was doing 5 days work in 8 hours in a single session. And I started sharing all of this stuff online, and people have just been reaching out naturally and asking me if I can teach them to do the same. So you'll see, I've literally dictated for a minute or two there, and it's put our answer straight into the chat window here. And by the way, you can use this sort of voice text on any app. So it works anywhere across your computer. And then below in the second half of the prompt, based on this criteria, create a website brief, core messaging, pages, keep it concise and practical. So we're not actually building anything yet. This is just kicking off. We're getting context, a shape for what we're working on, a brief basically. So you can see here, it comes up with our core messaging, information for our homepage, essential pages we might need, homepage content sections, problem solutions, basically taken my messy brain dump and reorganized it into a way that makes sense for a sales page or website page in the right order, bringing down to the call to action. So this is a really cool way to get that lean initial structure, but we're still miles off being able to build because we don't have any design inspiration. If we just give it this, it's just going to come up with a generic boring AI website. So what we need to do is grab this second prompt in here, which actually allows us to upload screenshots of a website that we like for it to copy the layout, the design, and extract the DNA of what we're trying to build. So we can take that prompt again for stage 2 and pop this in here. Now, the other thing we need is some inspiration. So all you have to do is find a website that you like the look of and think, I want mine to kind of be like that, but with my own vibe. And for me, I'm going to take this example. This is one from James Smith. His simple sort of one-page main website that he runs seems to do all right for him. I like the same sort of style. So we're actually just going to grab this website by taking screenshots. I'm literally going to go through and take screenshots all the way down his website here so that we can build something that looks kind of similar, but with my own vibe. So we'll go down and start screenshotting. There might be a quicker, easier way to do this. Feel free to let me know in the comments. So once we've got all of our screenshots, we can go back to our chat here and we can literally just dump them into Claude. There's 10 or so, 8 or 10 images in here that are going to be used as our inspiration for our webpage. And then we've got analyze these images, extract the structure, visual style, content patterns. Don't copy, we're extracting the DNA of this. So we're not just going to rip this website off, we're going to try and twist it into our own version. And then we get that extracted out for us as requested, even down to visual style, typography, spacing systems, image uses, everything in there, even the color palette, which we're going to address in a minute with our own brand. So once we've extracted all of this out, we can then go and move to our next prompt to help add our own brand identity to this. So I'm going to grab this one as well and add this to the chat. And you'll notice all these prompts chain each other. So we're not having to start again. We're just rolling as we go to build up basically our website plan. Now we're adding brand identity that's unique to us. Brand colors. So you need to go and add your brand colors in here. I've already got mine in this prompt. We can just tidy this up, but go and grab your own. If you've got your own color palette for your brand or your website, or business, whatever it is, go and grab those. If you don't have this already and you're like, I don't even know what colors I want to use, Elliot, then don't worry, because what I've got is this here. It's colors.co. If you go onto this website, colors.co, start the generator, it's going to automatically come up with brand palettes for you. So you can just hit spacebar and cycle through them until you find one you like. And you're like, hey, I like this color palette. You can even see examples of it. So visualize it. And it will show you what your color palette looks like in a brand design. So let's say I like this one. All you got to do is copy these color codes, and put those color codes in here. And that's your brand colors ready to go for your website. The same thing you can do with your font names, whatever particular fonts you want to use, then make sure to add those in. Brand voice, if you want to add a particular brand voice, we don't need to do that so aggressively because we've got the sort of text and it's taken some voice from our transcript, obviously. You can see at the bottom, take the website structure from earlier and adapt it with my brand elements. And so when we run that prompt, that's what it's essentially going to do. You can see the colors come out nicely in the chat here, so we can see what they are. And again, it's going to go through and readjust our design based on those new colorways. Even it really is mapping out and building our sort of wireframe of our website in the chat here. Even telling it what not to say on my website. Don't say the word leverage AI to optimize your workflow because it's vomit inducing. Stop wasting time on tasks AI can handle. Let's talk normally. So once we're done here, we can actually then move to starting to build out our mega prompt that we can then take over to a platform like Lovable to build this website in one shot. So we don't even have to input anything into this next prompt. It's ready to go based on everything we've built. So we're essentially assembling all the components of our website to put into our brief to give to AI. Our mega prompt for vibe coding is just a brief that AI understands. So if you run this prompt, it explains what we've already gone through and then explains what we need to specify in the prompt so that we can copy and paste it and run it. Now, once it's finished building out this mega prompt, we can literally copy the whole thing. You can see it's got button colors, everything we've discussed in here ready to go. And we can jump over to our vibe coding platform. And this is Lovable. And Lovable allows us to literally build anything, websites, apps, dashboards, landing pages in seconds. Because we've spent time building this brief out, we can literally just put it into Lovable and run this prompt in one shot to build our website. So we can add it in here and then hit run, and Lovable's going to get to work building out our website. You see on the left-hand side panel here, it's thinking, starting to build its plan, and eventually it's going to start coding. But honestly, this shouldn't take more than a few minutes for it to build. Here we go. I'll start building the stunning high converting AI coaching website for Elliot Prince. So it's on track and it's got all the first features, colors and styles and everything to start coding up. So now we just have to wait. And then next I'll show you how you can edit it if it's not quite right or you want to change something on there without having to know complex code, and how you can publish it live so it's ready to start using. Now you'll see, interestingly, it's gone through all the different sections on the left here. We've not finished the build yet, but it's realized, hey, there's maybe something that needs fixing. It's actually then taking a look at the site, seeing what's broken, what's not, and fixing it along the way so that it doesn't come out with any errors. And here we go. We should get the big reveal coming very soon. This is what we came out with. And you'll see, if you remember the website we modeled it on, we've got this big bold text at the top, a subheader, then our VSL area. Lovable, it's done exactly the same. Big bold white text. Stop drowning in AI confusion. Start getting 5 days work in one. No fluff, no theory. Just exact AI systems are used to work at 5x speed, taught in plain English by someone who's actually done it. And we can actually book a call. We've got our area for our video. So because we didn't give it a video yet, we can go and add that in really easily. I'll show you how you can make edits in a minute. We've got all the different sections. You've tried ChatGPT, maybe Claude. Now it's time to learn for real. Here's how everything works. We've got these lovely scroll sections, or these interactive sections, which are nice. Our book a call button. Feeling overwhelmed. We've got my story in there. I actually did go through and get it to see here. You can see on the left here, you can select sections or you can go and upload things. So it didn't have my logo on here originally. So what I did was I just added my logo and I said, can you replace the Elliot Prince at the top left with my logo? So I just asked it to put my logo in there. I asked it to make sure it put my photo in here in this section. And even, can you add my call to action link? So to edit sections is really easily. For example, at the bottom here, the YouTube button at the bottom doesn't work. So if we want to edit links or change any text on the page, there's 2 ways of doing this. You can actually use the visual edits button. Click anywhere on the page. We can actually just ask Lovable to change text, change images. So I could say, hey, it says book your strategy call here. It could say change this to say book your coaching call. And instead of having to fiddle around in UX and UIs and trying to figure stuff out, we can just conversationally get AI to make the edits on our page. So we don't have to touch things. There we go. Changed it to book your coaching call rather than consulting call. So we can change text. We can add images in anywhere we want. We say, actually make this 7200 plus. Just update some of the stats and numbers in here. Or as I said before, we want to actually make sure our YouTube link is correct. I can go and grab my YouTube link, put it in the bottom here, say, can you make sure this is my YouTube link in the YouTube icon in the footer. And there we go. It should now link to my channel, which it does nicely. So really, you can go through and make any changes you want. I've gone through and added in my call booking link. So it links out to my calendar on Google. If you've used calendly.com links as well, you can actually run those straight from Google now. If you go in your calendar, you'll see on the left-hand side, you can create booking pages. So I just created one of those. You can now book a call, copy to clipboard, go over to Lovable, dump that in and say, make that my call to action. So once you've gone through, added in your pictures, made it how you want it, made sure these are actually real reviews. These are made up reviews. I didn't give it any reviews to use, so I need to go and add those in and things like that. We've actually got a great website here that's done for us in a matter of literally minutes. So you can publish this live really easily as well. Now, you can actually publish it on a live Lovable domain. So we could actually say, like, it's just ready to go on elliotprince.lovable.app. If you want it more professional, then all you got to do is click add custom domain. And this is where we can put it on, elliottprints.com, for example, or any domain you want. If you already have one, then you can connect it from your hosting service, or you can just purchase one and connect it up really easily. Buy the domain for $10 and it should connect up automatically through Lovable. Just follow the steps through there. If you've already got a domain, then you can connect it up. So we'll use an example one for now, which is just a random domain I've got that's not actually being used at the moment, called bucketlistidea.com, which I was using for something, but now I'm not. To use your domain with Lovable, you need to follow the steps and connect it up. So it's going to it's going to automatically work out who I'm hosted with and get all the setup details. Then I just need to put in my login details for the hosting. Then Lovable's automatically going to authenticate with my host. I don't have to touch any of the tech side. It's going to do all the setup automatically for me. Might take a few minutes here, you can see. And it should start setting up your domain, and boom, it's configured automatically. Might take a few hours. It can take up to 48 hours for this to, filter through the internet for you to see. But essentially, we're done. We've built and published our live website. And if we actually see, we might be able to see it might have gone live already. Yeah, here, actually, straight away, got Elliott Prince AI Coaching, Stop Drowning in Confusion. The exact site that we built on Lovable is here and ready to rock and roll. It's so easy now. There's nothing crazy about this site. We could spend time in Lovable actually just like taking it up another level, adding some more elements in. But to do this so quickly, to be ready to go, is insane. You've got a professional website. You can easily edit it and update it conversationally, and there's no designer or developer needed. Just go.